My fellow Toastmasters and guests, when you come to Toastmasters, all of us will begin a journey, a unique journey with your first speech. But those speeches are connected to something unique called pathways. How many of you have a path in your life? Please raise your hand. Those paths can be, like Adam is an engineer, right? What is your profession, Agatha?
Actually, I'm still a student.
And what are you studying?
What? Environmental engineering.
You see, we have another engineer. Like, what about you, my friend? What is your profession? Or what will you be?
I'm at high school and learning mainly biology, chemistry, and maths.
Then Emilia?
I'm not a guest.
But what is your profession or path in your life?
I'm the teacher now.
What about Pavel?
Well, it's hard to say, actually. I should be a teacher, but maybe I should be a musician. But I work in corporations, so I do mainly nothing.
As we can see, we have different paths in our lives. Some of them they change, some of them they are different. And a good example that some path changes is Emilia. She was a teacher, but now she's getting involved in arts. So as you can see, this is how we start. And in pathways it's not so different. Because first of all, when you join to Toastmasters, you take a test. This is a psychological test, let's call it like that. But why? Why is important this test? To understand yourself better. All of us come for different reasons. Some people come because they are afraid of speaking in front of people. That was not my case, to be precise. I was never afraid of speaking to people. Some other people, like Radek, wants to be a better coach. Other ones want to be good writers. Maybe who knows, you're going to write the next film in the Oscars. You need to be a good one in those fields too. Other people are connected to project planning. That one is more close to what I want to do. Other people come because they want to become better readers. That's one's Bogdan. Then you have some people who want to master the art of negotiations and start selling. Yes, it's not an easy trick to go to speak to someone in the streets and say, "Hey, do you want this?" Or to buy snow. Other people would like to extend their networks. I will say that these people are people with a different vision. I will say that an expert in that one, we have it there, Eva. And the next person next to her, Nicoletta. We have change management. This one I have never seen it, to be precise, but it will be an interesting path. Other one about time management. Who are good in time management here? Please raise your hands. So you see, maybe that's the path that you need to choose the next one. There is other one about motivating others, interpersonal communication, and there is a new one that is hidden that is about how to make people laugh. Those kind of things is what you start with those questions, and they will be combining constantly to make you think. Be honest with what you want, because this will help you to understand better. In my case, what I did, as I said, I was focused on project planning, and that's why I finished in this one, in innovative planning. Because I always need to have a plan A, a plan B, a plan C, a plan double D, and thousands of plans. People who knows me, it's like, I want to go somewhere, but I need to think 4 or 5 different plans until I reach where I want to go. It took me 8 years to reach Europe, so as you can imagine, I needed to have thousands of plans in order to reach this place. My advice when you start this journey and you take your test, the first time, don't be so rebellious and take the advice that they give you. That's why I chose this one. I had different ones, like dynamic leadership as my second path, and the third one was about public speaking. I said, I'm not afraid of speaking to people. But this one has helped me a lot to understand better and to plan better even in the company, in the area, in every work that I need in order to find right ways. My advice, try to follow the first time the path that they suggest. The second time, I don't encourage you too much to take the test. But if you don't feel that you need to do it more, take it again. It will give you some guidance. As I said, in my case, the next one will be perhaps the most crazy experience in my life. I will take the humorous path. So people know me, I'm not a humorous guy. And that's what I would like to encourage you. Try to start your first journey tonight.